Want to know something that's gonna change your life? Stick until the end of this video to know what it is. Hey, this is Gabriel. Again, subscribe right now. You need to get to know me because I've got some great content coming out for you every day. I try to do a little video like this or better quality yet to get you on your game, on the top of your game, okay? So let's go to the subject of this video. I want to talk about the subject of goals versus targets. For a lot of people, it's basically the same thing, but it's not. It's really, you should really make the difference between both of them. Let me tell you why. A target is something that you can set and you can achieve today. For example, today I've made 20 phone calls. Actually, I've got a great story coming up on my TikTok and my Instagram Reels. You can find me at Gabriel Juliet, Gabriel Gulihe, I think, yeah. The French guy that doesn't know the English alphabet, yeah. Anyway, you can find the story there. I actually did my first phone calls today, but anyway, I achieved the goals. I achieved the target of making 20 goals because I can achieve those today. The goals are a bit different. Goals, you cannot achieve them today. That's basically the difference. Let's set an example. For example, I told you that today I was able to do 20 goals. Cool. What I cannot do, for example, that's an example of a goal, would be to make $10 million. Right now, I'm not able to make $10 million like that in a day. So I'm not being able to achieve it. It's not necessarily in a day. It's more that you cannot achieve it by saying like, okay, I'm achieving it at that date, you know? Like the 28th of December, I'm achieving that goal. No, you cannot say that. You can say the 28th of December, I can achieve that target. That's different. That's really different. And why you should use the two? Because a goal should drive you forward. Have big dreams and goals in order to drive you forward. For example, let's not say as a goal like I want to make $2,000 a month more, and no, set $1 million a year. That's a big goal. But why should you put that as a goal though? Because it's gonna drive you forward. It's gonna give you something that you could dream about. For example, there is a saying that I don't remember who told it, but basically if you aim for the moon, you're gonna at least end up on the star. You know what I mean? If you dream about something big, you're gonna get at least something big. Maybe not as big as you wish, but you're gonna get something big. So that's really important to go forward. It's gonna help you get the right attitude and all the things like that. If you do not set a goal big enough, it's gonna not inspire you to move forward. Then you have to set targets in order to achieve the goal. Targets are like little steps that you put in order to achieve and to reach the goal. For example, I want to make trillions of dollars. Okay, so that's really, I said really enormous big goals, you know? Really big goals. So what I need to do in order to get to this action, I need to match my targets, my steps, the steps I'm taking to reaching that goal. So first, I made my first calls. The thing is that with targets, you do not have to set them too big, because I was actually trying to make like 100 phone calls a day. Actually, I don't know how to do phone calls right now, so I set it back the targets to a little number that I can manage, that I can do. It was still a big effort, but I did it. The key with the targets is to achieve it and to increase the targets over time. The goal have to be big and they gotta stay big. Never lower a goal or target. But the target has to increase over time. You gotta start low if you don't have experience or you never achieve the target. Like for example, I did 20 calls today. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna do 30, then 40, then 50. My goal is to achieve 183 calls a day. That's my goal. Cold calls, like outbound calls like that. Like, hello, you don't know me? Fuck you, man. Okay, can I sell you something? That's the kind of call I'm doing. Okay, that's really important to have the difference of the two. Have big goals, have targets that grows incrementally to get you on that goal, but really important, never lower both of them. You set a goal, you set a target, You achieve it whatever it takes. Change your action, not your goals. Have a nice day, guys. Please subscribe and like. That's really something that's gonna help me a lot in exchange of what I'm giving what I'm giving actually to you. I love you guys. Keep going forward, keep going at it. Let's go.